Hi guys, I hope you are all fine. Now I am going to explain you about the differential operation amplifier. Let's get into the topic. This is the circuit diagram of differential operation amplifier, and it amplifies the difference between two signals. If you see in inverting amplifier, the inverting terminal, which means the negative terminal, will be connected to the voltage. If we look at non-inverting amplifier, the voltage will be applied to the positive terminal. But here in differential amplifier, the voltages will be applied to both the terminals. Here, both the terminals, the voltages is applied to both the terminals. And now we have to find out the value of V0. I mean V0 here. We have to find the value of V0. And if we look at here, I mean this one, this one, by voltage division rule we can say that VA is equal to R1 plus R2 into V2 by voltage division rule. Let us keep this equation as 1 1. And if you look at this point A, this capital A, it is a node, right? At this point I1 will be equal to I2. Once wait. At this point I1 will be equal to I2. So if you look at the circuit diagram carefully, here if you look at the circuit diagram carefully, at I1 it will be like, if you look at here this line, then it will be like I1 is equal to V1 minus VA by R1. Yes, V1 minus VA by R1. This is what we write here. And if you look at the circuit diagram here, at this line, at this line we can say that I2 is equal to, this one also, I2 is equal to VA minus V0 by R2. This is what we wrote here, VA minus V0 by R2. And we can write this as V1 by R1 minus VA by RA is equal to VA by R2 minus V0 by R2. And we took the V0 by R2 to this side and we wrote these two to this side. Then we will get like V0 by R2 is equal to VA by R2 minus V1 by R1 plus VA by R1. And if we take the common VA between these two, then we can write like V0 by R2 is equal to VA into 1 by R2 plus 1 by R1 minus V1 by R1. And here R2 will be cancelled. Then after that V0 is equal to VA into 1 plus R2 by R1 minus R2 by R1 into V1. Let's take this equation as equation 2. And if we compare equation 1 and 2, I mean if we compare these two equations, once wait, if we compare equation 1 and equation 2, then we can write this whole equation in the place of VA. So we will write it there. Then we will get like V0 is equal to R2 V2 by R1 plus R2 into R1 plus R2 by R1 minus R2 by R1 into V1. Then V0 is equal to R2 by R1 into V2 minus V1. This is the equation we want to find out. And here R2 by R1 will be gain. And if you look at the definition, I already told you that it will amplify the difference between the voltages. This is the difference between voltages, V2 minus V1. It will be amplified. The output will be amplified. I told you output voltage, the voltage which came as output will be amplified by R2 by R1. This is all about the differential operation amplifier. Please support me by giving a like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the notification bell. Thank you.